Hari Om everyone. Detachment is not about shunning away responsibilities and duties that come with the birth or withdrawing from the world. It is about seeing and experiencing things as they truly are, without clinging to the dualities of the outcome. It is about seeing everything as wonderful, without gauging through our mental perceptions and judgments. Matra spashastu kaunteya, shitoshna sukha dukkadaha, agamapaino nityaha, tantikshasva bharata. When the mind is constantly engaged in worldly things, it grows fond of them and develops attachments. From these attachments, desire is born, and from desire, anger arises. This further interferes with a person's ability to think clearly and rationally. Once, me and my friend went for a walk. My friend accidentally fell into a pit. I did not follow my friend into the pit because I am attached to her. Instead, I stood outside the pit and helped my friend get out of it. This is the same kind of detachment we need to apply internally. I further understood from the essence of Bhagavad Gita that practice of detachment does not mean we need to give up our capacities of enjoyment or our families. Instead, we need to give up our tendency of identifying ourselves with our outer bodies and personalities instead of identifying ourselves with our pure consciousness. Let me outline a few powerful ways Lord Krishna explained to Arjuna in the lines of practicing detachment. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja. Dedicate your actions and turn over your fears, doubts and desires to one's consciousness. This helps unleash one's potential to the fullest. When actions are performed renouncing attachment and desire for fruit of actions, one becomes equal to the dualities of the outcomes and attains state of mental equipoise, which is considered as the ultimate form of yoga. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Mental equipoise is the key to good health. Practice of detachment is an art that should be mastered by each and every one of us. It teaches us how to act with maximum grace under maximum stress. It is also a superpower which will manifest divinity within us. This will further elevate the powers of our intellect and pave way for our success in all our endeavors. To conclude, we should all use the weapon of detachment to cut down the deep-rooted forest of ego and all compulsive emotional entanglements within us. Asanga shastrena dithena chitva. Detachment is a quality of the mind. All of us can achieve it with awareness, conviction, and by continually persevering in the right direction. And let us couple it with our complete surrender to the Supreme Lord. Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om.